Hi guys, how are you? So in this video, we're gonna be tackling two-sum problem on LeetCode. So let's get started. Given an array of integers nums and integer target, and return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to a target. Okay, you may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. Okay, so we can't use the same number two times up here. Alright, so that's an array of numbers we're given 2, 7, 11, and 15, and then target is 9. So we have 2 on indices 0, 1, 2, and then 3. So indices 0 and 1 adds up to the target 9. Okay, so the way we're gonna approach this problem is with the help of brute force. The brute force. So we're simply gonna iterate through each of the numbers and then find our way ahead at there. So as we do up there, so for integer I equals to 0, and then I less than, let's say, nums dot length, and then I plus plus, and then for j integer j, sorry, equals to 0, and then j less than nums of that, and then increment that, and then we can define a new element up here or variable up here, and then say target minus nums of I. So that's what you're trying to look up here. And then if you do an if statement, so if the nums of j is equals to the element what we have up there, then we can return the integer up there. So I'll show you now how. So enter new integer variables, and then not the variable, sorry, integer array, and then I and j up here, yeah, and then yeah. So I think that's is for the two-sum problem with the help of brute force. And if we run the program, that should work. Okay, so cannot find the symbol. So what did we do up here now? So num, and then oh yeah, okay, so this should be the nums of I, yeah, and then oh yeah, one before that there we didn't do like the illegal expression or like the exception for that, so it's gonna give another error if you didn't do that. So we're gonna throw a new illegal argument expression, or sorry, exception. So let's say non-match found. Alright, so if we try to run that now, I believe hopefully that should work. And yeah, perfect. So that's the two-sum problem, and I hope you like that, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.